up, YouTube? What up, everybody? What up? How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody had a good day at work and whatever you had to do. Hope you had an awesome day of doing your thing, either whether it was homework or whatever you did. I hope it was good. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope everybody was alright. I'm doing good. I just got off work a little while ago and I'm going to check out this song here. Yeah! I've never heard this shit before, ever. It's the first time hearing this, so it's, if I mess it up at all, sorry. It's 40 below summer. Rain. I guess I can't mess that up. It's pretty basic. Alright, let's check it out. Turn it up a little bit there.
It's cold, it's hard, and I'm locked inside this. I've gone too far, and I can't rectify this. I walk away, falling into it. It's such a shame how I'll miss you.
I like this, just already, just hearing that much. I'm really digging the drums. Because the dude's really working his ass off on the drums there. A whole fucking shit, like, all the instrumental beat, all that is dope. This dude is, like, doing something weird with the drum. I'm gonna back it up a bit, though. Just listen to it for a second. This shit is dope, man. It's just the way that background is going and then the drums hitting. Oh, man. And then the voice, everything. This shit is dope. Back it up there. I don't want to go too far.
I've gone too far.
Listen to that.
I can't rectify this.
He's playing with the drums. Oh yeah.
It's such a shame how I'll miss you.
Oh man.
Can you reach me?
Yeah.
Don't leave me out, leave me hanging. Don't keep me down and dragging. You're so sure that I won't splinter. You're so good. You're so kind, and I'll always sink into nothing.
This is dope, man. I like the style of this. It's good. It's really good. He yells at that one part like he's about to explode, right? He screams and then calm, subtle. It's chill, man. It's good. It's nice. I'm really enjoying this shit. It's dope. Thank you for sending it. Appreciate it, man. Hell yeah. All right. Fucking fire! Or was it something I said?
always sinking to nothing. And I'm on my legs again. And I can't believe that it's always under my skin. All it did was
I'm back in the talent, man. The talent a lot of these bands have, it's insane. Like, honestly, speechless. Basically, it's really, really talented people. Damn, the music, their voices, like, holy shit, man. Yeah, it's good. That's dope right there. Over. What an ending, man. That was so nice. Perfect. Oh, that was good. Thank you so much for sending that shit. That was dope. Hats off to that band. Damn. That was ill, man. Fire. Thank you so much for everybody. Subscribers, thank you so much, everybody, for all the loves. Thank you for everything, everybody. I really, really appreciate it. All right, I'm out. Peace.